Dom said some woman walked by and she was like...
Standing right behind me. She said,
What's going on, guys? So today we are doing a Vision Pro only challenge. And that means no iPhone, no iPad, no Apple Watch, no Apple anything. We're gonna see if we can get by the full day using just this guy and see how it goes. All right, so right now we're in the customer lounge and I figure I gotta get work done. I gotta respond to emails, get in touch with folks. So right now I've got I got my email open. You're gonna have to blur like crazy. Now the thing is, I can't receive calls on this. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that. I'm gonna be relying heavily on my messages. So that's probably gonna be my main form of communication. All right, so let's see how I'm gonna do with emails. And then I've got some social media stuff to do as well. Let's see if I can get that done.
You don't do the dual band,
I'm doing this for now, but I don't find this as comfortable as the dual band. So I'm gonna probably switch later on, depending on how my head feels.
Okay.
But right now, I'm fine. All right, time for some work. Oh, Ari's calling me? So this challenge is gonna be pretty tough already because Ari's calling me and I have no idea. I was hoping to get some kind of notification or something, but nothing. I'm already failing this challenge.
Yeah.
But incoming calls, that's gonna be rough. I'll have to let Ari know she's gonna have to FaceTime me if she wants to get in touch. Now, I don't know how I feel about typing long messages with this. I feel like I'm gonna get tired of that, but there's dictation too. Hey, if you need me, you're gonna wanna FaceTime me. I don't need you mad at me. Can't forget the LOL. Yo, there is no Instagram on this. That's why. Even in the iPad, iPhone section, there's nothing. Where's the YouTube app? So they're not even letting the iPad version get on here? Super whack. Either way, I gotta post some stuff for socials. I'll try to maybe I'll have to just go to the browser.
What are you asking?
I'm deleting text.
Why?
That's something I should have been doing this whole time. While this is a nice little lounge or whatever, I could be in a completely different place. I can be on a mountain looking over a bunch of clouds. This is what I should have done from the start. If I want to focus on somebody who is in front of me, I can do that. You got a big old camera in your face, but I can still kind of see you. Yo, I'm trying to pick a cover photo for this reel, and your boy is struggling. It's because I'm using Safari. It's not working. It was working just a second ago, actually. Yeah, this isn't happening. Not here, at least.
Are you looking at me or?
No. So what happens is, if I have an app open, I was just looking at an app. So the idea is, if I move the apps out the way and then I look at you, you should start seeing my eyes.
I still see the pausing light.
It might be a screen recording. Oh, that might be to let people know, hey, this is being recorded. Yeah, I got some emailing done at least, got in touch with a few people, but nobody can call me, so it kind of feels like I'm on a deserted island, which is weird considering when I get regular calls, all of my devices just go off, but not this. So that's going to make this challenge a little bit harder. Some folks might be mad at me. All right, so it's 12:41 and we're at 18%, so feels like portable charger time. Outside. Okay, it looks, I mean, it's realistic and all that. I have no problem just being able to get around. Oh, look at the sun. Let me not stare at the sun. Dang, that was crazy, looking straight up at the sun like that. So looking at the world was one thing, but when you start throwing apps into the mix, oh man, that's, okay, that is some futuristic looking stuff, man. It's kind of wild, you guys. It's kind of wild. It's cold. We gotta get back inside. God, I'm one of those people on social media who walking around with the Vision Pro. You said you're embarrassed being with me? Hey, I hate to be this obnoxious, but I gotta ask how much longer my appointment might be.
Yeah, they messaged you at 11:12 in the morning.
Oh, really? I must have missed that. So apparently I picked the absolute worst day to do a Vision Pro only challenge because I didn't have my phone and I missed a message about my car, and we ended up wasting more than an hour in here because my car was just chilling, waiting for a response. All right, so I've got a loaner car now. We're gonna just head back to the studio. All right, well, we wasted a lot of time in there. We might as well just do lunch now. What we're gonna do though, is we're gonna see if we can navigate using this. I'm not gonna drive, obviously. Jay's gonna drive, we'll see how it goes. All right, so we've got some navigation right in front of me. I don't know how accurate this is gonna be.
I'm never gonna make it.
It's already 29 minutes, we're screwed. All right, let's get out of here. What, driving was? Yeah, it should be. Oh man, we're driving right past my map. How's that gonna work? My map is still back there. Oh, no. Jay, don't forget my map. Okay, so I just remembered that there is a travel mode. Travel mode. If you're on an airplane, turn on travel mode to stabilize visuals. Okay, I'll turn on travel mode. Remain stationary in travel mode. Oh, okay. I think we still got it. Oh, this is so cool. I feel like Tony Stark. All right, let's see what happens.
Should I cancel this?
Oh, no, just keep that on just in case. I don't know what's about to happen here. So this is wild to me because I don't know what's going on in front of me. I can't see the road. That feels crazy. Okay. Yeah, I can give directions. So you're gonna take exit 154 onto US 46 West. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how many miles we have on this, but just look out for exit 154, Jay. Yeah, like MapQuest days. I will say though, it's failing a lot. So because I'm looking directly at a window, it's throwing off the tracking. Or maybe if I place it right in front of Jay's map, we'll be all good to go. Now, can I have other apps open? Can I do my own thing if I want to? Oh, this is pretty cool. So I'll say this, if you make a considered effort to use the navigation, you can probably get it to work, but it's not ideal when you've got windows in a car, it doesn't track well, and you'll probably lose your apps quite a bit. Shit, my tracking just failed, bro. So I'll say this, after speaking to folks at Tesla, I don't want to do that again. Like, I don't want to speak to anybody.
But you still need to order the pizza.
Dom, do it. Make Dom do it. I don't want to do it again. This ain't for me, man. Okay, so we're here at the pizza shop. No thanks to the Vision Pro, but we're here nonetheless. Let's get some food. I'm not ordering. I swear I'm not ordering. No. Don't be courteous. Can we just get a large pie, please? $3.90. Appreciate it, man. It ain't right. I'm telling you, it ain't right. Just talking to people like this, it's weird. This is what I look like? Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm not gonna lie though. This is dope. Oh, wow. So now that we're out of the Tesla shop, I still need internet. So I'm connected to my phone. That's what we were using in the car. And in here, the service kind of sucks. But what does a world look like when this is normal?
Jay, you wanna know what it looks like? Give us too.
Oh, appreciate it, man. And dang, I legit feels like I should be taking a bite right now because the cameras are closer to the pizza than my actual face is. So it gives me the illusion that like I should be biting. If you go based on your eyes, you're just gonna be off. So you gotta go based on like just muscle memory. Damn, that's hot. Oh, okay, my bad, guys. And it also makes me realize we use our eyes to eat a lot more than I thought we did.
Does that change the accent you do something?
No,
No?
you're right. It legit thinks I'm scrolling right now. So it wasn't doing anything weird when I wasn't looking at content, but now that I'm looking at content, it's like I'm in a holding position with it.
Oh wait, it's been like 4 hours? You don't feel anything?
I'm fine. I think I'll feel it once I take it off. Like I feel like my forehead, like I could use some relief right now, but I'm fine. All right, we out. What's that? Yo, that's crazy. I'm walking out here and I'm like, what's that in the sky? Like, what is that? And then I realize it's a window that I left up here. There's 2 windows. There's some pictures of me and Adrian. What the heck? What? Just how far can this go? I thought it was some weird reflection hitting the light. Nope, it's a window that I left open. That's, what is this world? All right, so we're back at the studio. I'm gonna take this off for a second so we can let it charge for a little bit. And I'm sure I've got some serious lines all over my head. How long has it been? About 5 hours. That's madness. Do I have Vision Pro face?
A little bit.
Oh, a little bit? Y'all tripping. There's a huge line across my forehead. A little bit. Oh, that's wild. I'm gonna let this charge for a little bit and I guess I'll just not touch my phone. All right, let's get out of here, guys. Oops, that's a problem. My peripheral gets blocked. Did you see that? My peripheral gets blocked and this kid just walked in front of me. I didn't notice him at all. And I just bumped into him. Like, you are in my blind spot right about here.
Right here?
No, I can see you now. Right there, I can't see you now. But either way, we are here in Whole Foods. Ari sent me to pick up some milk for Austin. But let me see, what was it called again? I think it's Ripple milk. So let's see what that looks like. So that is Target, but this is what we're looking for. So that's helpful. Being able to look something up while you're in the store. Boom. I'm gonna confirm with Ari, so I'm gonna try and FaceTime her. Hello? Wait, why? Why the face? You don't like my persona? So now I'm gonna share my view with you in 3, 2, 1. Cause I looked it up and this should be what you want, but I don't know if you wanted any of these other ones. Did we wanna get oat milk? So one of these or what? Okay. All right, so mission success. Got the milk. I was able to look this up. I was able to show Ari what I was looking at in the moment. So this feels like a success, like being able to go to the store and run some errands. Yeah, although I don't like having to navigate large spaces because my peripherals are blocked off. Oh man, I can't even use Apple Pay. I gotta use my wallet. So I think my favorite thing to do is, as people are staring at me, just give them a head nod because they don't realize I can see them. And they're just kind of like, oh, yeah, hey. Hi, girl. You still know it's me, huh?
Austin, what did you say Daddy looked like?
A bug.
You think I look like a bug?
You look like a bug, so I think it's always for mascot.
That's quite the description. Adrian, what's up, buddy? All right. Let's calm down. We're getting a lot of balls out of the pit. All right, my family has accepted me.
No, but if I have anything to say about it, everybody, when he's home, he ignores me while he's on this. Yeah, it makes people even more impersonal.
Either way, it looks like.
Aww.
So it seems like the family has accepted me even while I'm wearing the Vision Pro. I can do all those weird spatial videos and it'd be okay right now. But Ari doesn't like it, so I got 3 out of 4.
Do you know what percentage that is?
75%.
I think it's a learning situation.
What? Math teacher. Anyway, this part's a success. I'm happy
I'll
about it.
flip these over. You let me watch a number, then you get the